Okay, so hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about boot loop. So if you go to recovery mode, you will see root integrity check, right? You do not do root integrity check because if you do that, your phone will be stuck on boot loop. In case if it gets stuck on boot loop, you simply have to go to recovery mode again and bypass the partition again, right? Problem solved. Now I want to tell you a new way of it, right? So it will is encrypt data. Means if you need to encrypt, so encrypting data will solve your boot loop. So for that, right? Yeah. So I'm typing my password. Let's type password. Developer options if it is on. Now see if your USB debugging is on. This thing disable USB debugging. Oops, sorry. I'll repeat these steps again. Right? First, you have to go to your screen lock. Type your password. You can select your PIN or password. This. You have to go to this ID. I highlight this to you. Let's show you. This thing. Then you have to click on a continue box, right? Right now you're going to press continue. Type your PIN immediately. now you're done. Bye bye. See you later.